Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to get a bigger buttocks and increase on your back side and also gain weight. So without wasting much of your time, let's just get right into the video. Nobody's perfect. Oh yeah. So guys, all you've been needing for this remedy is yogurt. This is our yogurt. So this is the type of yogurt I'm going to be using, and raw milk. This is raw milk. Yeah, this is raw milk. And apple. This is apple. And the banana. You'll be needing a very ripe banana. So first thing first, I'm just going to add the milk into the blender. So that's how we go down first. Yeah, I'm going to cut the apple into two parts because I'm going to be using one part. As you guys already know, I like making my remedy fresh. So tomorrow I'm just going to be using the other part of the apple. So just cut it into tiny pieces. You can blend it. This will help you gain weight on your back side and get a bigger buttocks in just 3 days. It's also healthy for your health. It's very healthy for your health. So guys, I'm going to add the apple into the blender. The chopped apple, I'm going to add it into the blender. And next, I'm going to add banana. As you can see, this banana is very ripe. Not all the banana, just let me say quarter of it or half quarter. So next, just going to add yogurt. And see the yogurt. This is very good for the body, and it's also healthy for your health. Add as much as you can, okay? Add as much yogurt as you can. So guys, this is it. I'm going to blend it now. I use the remaining yogurt for the rest of the remedy. I'm just going to blend the remedy now. Alright guys, I'm done blending it, and this is what it looks like. This one is even much. I can drink this 2 times just to try. So, yeah, if you want to do it, you just do it in the morning so you can drink the remaining one in the evening. You can just store this in your fridge and drink this now. So I'm going to drink this now. So guys, this is the remedy. You can see, just drink it. It will grow your buttocks, and it can make you gain weight, and also it's good for your health. It's good. You can see the ingredients I use in making the remedy. The ingredients are so healthy. We all know apple, we all know banana, we all know milk and yogurt. We all take it every time. So that's what I use in making this remedy. All right guys, after this video I'm just going to finish drinking mine, and later in the evening I will drink the remaining one. I'm just going to store this one in the fridge and later drink this one in the evening. All right, see you all in my next video. Till I come your way next time, I remain your baby girl Friday Charity. Please give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned. Bye bye.